Welcome. Thank you for giving yourself this time. This is your moment to relax, to reconnect, and to step into the energy of the home you are creating. Find a comfortable place to sit or to lie down. Allow your hands to rest gently. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out any tension you have been carrying. One more deep breath, breathing in peace, breathing out anything that no longer serves you. There is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to chase. For a few minutes, simply allow yourself to receive. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Allow your forehead to soften. Relax the muscle around your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your neck become loose. Allow your shoulders to gently melt downward. Feel any heavy weight leaving your body. Relax your arms, your hands, your fingers, and take a slow, deep breath. Now soften your chest, relax your heart, release your stomach, allow your hips to become heavy, relax your legs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. With every breath, your entire body becomes calmer, heavier, and more peaceful. Now imagine beautiful roots of golden light growing from the soles of your feet. Slowly, the roots travel downward into the earth, through the soft soil, through the rocks, deeper and deeper, until it reach the glowing center of the earth. Feel the earth welcoming you, supporting you, holding you completely. Now imagine earth peaceful energy flowing upward through these roots. Feel these beautiful energy enter your feet, your legs, your hips, your abdomen, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your face, the top of your head, and now you are grounded. You are safe. You belong here. Now imagine a warm golden light shining above you, a light filled with love, abundance, joy, possibility, peace. This beautiful light slowly pours into the top of your head like a warm morning sunlight. It fills every part of your body. Every breath makes this lighter and brighter, more open, more joyful, and without effort. Quietly repeat after me: I am worthy, I am supported, I am open to receiving, I naturally attract beautiful experiences, my energy creates my reality. Now, in front of you, a beautiful pathway appears. It feels peaceful, safe, welcoming. Take your first step. There is no rush. With every step, you are moving towards your future. Notice the trees around you, the fresh air, the gentle breeze against your skin. Listen carefully. Perhaps you hear birds singing, leaves dancing in the wind, the quiet sounds of nature reminding you that everything unfolds in perfect timing. Far ahead, you begin to notice a beautiful home, your home, the home that already exists within your future. Take a moment to simply admire it. Notice its architecture, its colors, its windows, its garden. Perhaps flowers bloom near the entrance. Perhaps sunlight reflects gently across the walls. Whatever appears is exactly right for you. Begin walking towards the front door. Each step fills you with calm certainty. You are not wishing, you are remembering. You are meeting a future that is already unfolding. Reach out your hand. Feel the door beneath your fingertips. Notice its texture, its warmth, its strength. Take one deep breath, then gently open the door. As you step inside, a feeling of peace washes over you. This place feels familiar, comfortable, safe. It feels like you. Walk slowly to your home. Notice the entrance, the beautiful living room, the kitchen, the dining area, the bedrooms, your favorite corner, perhaps a reading chair, a meditation space, a creative studio, a peaceful balcony overlooking nature. Take your time. Allow the details to reveal themselves naturally. Touch the furniture. Run your hands along the walls. Feel the smooth surfaces beneath your fingertips. Notice beautiful natural lighting filling every room. Perhaps you notice some fresh flowers, the comforting scent of the wood, fresh coffee, clean air. Everything feels peaceful. Everything supports your highest self. Walk towards a window. Look outside. What do you see? Mountains? Ocean? A peaceful neighborhood? Rolling green hills? Whatever appears, allow yourself to fully experience it. Now imagine waking up here tomorrow morning. Notice how peaceful you feel. You open your eyes. Sunlight gently fills your room. You smile, not because something extraordinary happened, but because this life feels naturally beautiful. You walk into the kitchen. You prepare your favorite drink, sit quietly, take a slow sip, feel gratitude. Not excitement, not longing, just simple, peaceful certainty. This is your life. This is your home. Notice how you move through your day. Everything flows with ease. You feel healthy, inspired, creative, prosperous. Your home supports your dreams. It reflects you, who you have become. Every room reminds you of your inner world, creates your outer world. Now, gently place one hand over your heart. Take a slow, deep breath. Repeat silently or softly. Thank you for this beautiful home. Thank you for the peace it brings. Thank you for the abundance flowing through my life. I am becoming a person who naturally lives this reality. Every day, my thoughts, my emotions, my actions bring me closer to this vision. I trust the divine timing. I receive with gratitude. Allow these words to sink deeply in your heart. Allow your body to remember this feeling because this feeling is your true home. Now, slowly make your way back towards your front door. Take one final look around. Notice every beautiful detail. Smile. Know that this home now lives inside your heart. Its energy travels with you wherever you go. Step outside, walk gently back along the peaceful pathway. With every step, you bring this feeling into your present life. You are carrying the vibration of abundance now, the vibration of gratitude, the vibration of home. Feel your feet once again connected to earth. Feel your breathing. Feel the room around you. Gently begin moving your fingers, your toes. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Remember, your dream home begins with you. Every loving thought, every lined action, every grateful moment is another step towards welcoming it into your life. Thank you for sharing this journey. May your path be filled with peace, abundance, and the feeling of coming home. Thank you. Namaste. To listen to more such videos, Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.